Hello, this is Buildershed here, and today we are taking a look at ReactOS. As you can see right there. So ReactOS is not Linux, as y'all can tell. In fact, I'm going to be reviewing FreeBSD at some point as well once I get an issue with that fixed. ReactOS is basically a free and open source equivalent to Windows, like a free and open source recreation of Windows 10. No, not Windows 10, of older versions of Windows. Knows recreation. I think it's mainly like sort of like a recreation of Windows Server 2003. But this looks quite classic. I believe it runs on Wine as well. Well, you also got several themes here. So let's take a look at it. So first, here you have the ReactOS command prompt. The thing is, ReactOS has been going on for a long time. I'm like, and it's still an alpha. Like, it's been going on for, I believe, like more than two decades, and it's still an alpha. So yeah, like if that's not an indicator enough that this isn't ready for you to be used, I think that like you should probably take a look at that. But I'm not here to Well, I'm here to criticize it, but not entirely negatively. So yeah, so application. So ReactOS does run exe. And if you've used older versions of Windows, ReactOS should be more familiar. The thing about ReactOS is this doesn't mean you can run the state-of-the-art software on here. First of all, obviously it's running Wine to like be able to run off exe files and some open source type stuff implementation. So you won't be able to game on ReactOS without getting screwed by anti-cheat, specifically client-side anti-cheat. And I'm pretty sure, like, well, anything client-side for running on ReactOS, if it's an anti-cheat on client-side anti-cheat and you're running on ReactOS, it's probably going to classify it. It's probably going to think you're cheating because it's, like, peeps, there's a difference between, like, Wine on Linux and full-on, like, a full-on Wine environment. So, yeah. So here, like, the command prompt is quite similar to Windows. Hold on. Copy. Move. Okay. So, like I said, this is not Linux based. I don't think it's Unix based either, but it could be possible. But it doesn't look to be Unix based at all. Like it's an open source recreation of Windows, is what it is. So I think the first thing you can check out has to be the programs. First of all, you got Wine Internet Explorer, and yeah. So here's the ReactOS website. You also got File Explorer right here. Just close that. Got your Documents folder, crap like that. And here you have a package manager. And yes, this ReactOS includes a package manager. So you got stuff like 7-zip. I think Apache OpenOffice, I think I should probably try out though. Yeah. And just some recreations of stuff like, you know what I mean, y'all. Midnight Commander. Yeah, get that too. Install those babies. You gonna take a little bit. So let's. I think if I should do anything right now, I think I should check around the settings here. Because there could be some things that could be tweakable, maybe allow extra, like a bit more compatibility. So let's go to control panel. So you have a bunch of stuff. Internet settings, you deal with internet related crap right here. Wine D3D here. Yeah. System. Of course, this is ReactOS, and I am running it in a virtual machine. OpenGL configuration, other trash like that. Display. Here you can change some stuff. Now you got color scheme stuff. You want to do some ricing on this for some reason, don't know why. America, yeah. Oh my. Teal. Favorite dang color is teal. Open office setup. Install that baby. Green olive. Yeah, I accept new. Midnight Commander, heck yeah. Here's good old Midnight Commander. Your typical start link on desktop. Like I want to see what this open box was like. That seems a little interesting to me. I'm gonna go with any. It's classic. I like. Right here. So here we have some themes. This one they don't end up showing for some reason. So this is quote unquote modern. Doesn't seem to be working properly, so go with that. This is quite modern of a theme too. You got color schemes, it's only light. Lunar. Yeah, only just ReactOS right there for color scheme. Then this is probably based off the Windows XP thing, if you know what I mean, peeps. So here's... Oh, you can screw around taskbar and stuff. Nice. Latest, where the heck this is. I'm guessing this is a little bit based off of, like, Arrow mixed with Luna. Like, sort of, I think. I'm going to go with this one because I like it. It looks good for my tastes. I just pop up an open office for no reason. Next. Finished. Text document. Yeah, it's still sort of usable, but I'd prefer LibreOffice for this type of stuff. I'm just a part of LibreOffice gang, peeps. Graphics, GIMP in here, no. Internet network available for installation. Oh yeah. So have some stuff, tux, paint, themes. Oh, so we actually have good amount of themes on here. Plex slate, watercolor. Let's just blow the crap out of this. You know what I mean, peeps. Check internet connection. Oh, GitHub problems. Yeah. Here's watercolor. Let's see what it's like. Oh, it's a bit more on the classic end. Let's go back with lightest. Cannot find package yet. Maybe I should see where the heck, like, check the download links on these. Open in a browser, yeah. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. I want to see if there's a wine CFG. G command. Nope. None there. Okay. So we have some taskbar settings so we can unlock it, so we can move it up there or right here or up there if you want to go with something like that. Show seconds, yes, part of the seconds game. I like my seconds to be shown, y'all. Effects. Font size. I'd say go to normal. Oh boy, advanced. Screensaver. Okay, you're half broken for some reason. Yo, 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 yo. Oh boy. Now that's what you call a virtual machine. No! Let's just ignore that for the meantime. Yeah. So let's see if there's anything else. Oh my. What have you done, Kim Jong-un? That thing has been sadly ingrained. I'm gonna have to reboot this fella. Like, in all honesty. Okay, it's rebooting. Or thought it was. Oh, the fell back up. Okay, it's capturing it. Whoa. Okay. Okay, yeah, we're in a situation. Okay, here's the mouse. So yeah, we kind of got that situation dealt with temporarily, so yeah. So let's see what kind of programs we can install. Pop open our applications manager. Install good old Firefox. Mozilla Firefox Wizard, yeah, old Firefox, we know. Yeah. Okay, launch Firefox now. Don't import jack crap. So here it is. No, don't update. So yeah, this is practically apparently the latest Firefox to go. Again, that's kind of a side effect of the fact that this thing, like for Wine, goes up to like Windows Server 2003. So half your Windows application is not going to work anyways because, well, obviously, what new applications support Windows 2003? None. So, of course, hop on YouTube. Remind me later, please. Could care less. Just turn on a video from my gaming channel. 10 hours. Thank you. Well, that's what I call situation. Yeah, I think we could say that was bound to happen. Hold up, I ain't about to get copyright claimed here. Yo, close. Yeah. Nuke those programs, so in the meantime, let's pop Firefox back open and search for backgrounds. OS background. Size, no. No, not Pinterest. Pinterest is hell. Oh, they're the same dang size. What is this? Let's just get this one. Because why not? Close that peep. Hop into our good old local disk, document settings, admin. Back the heck up. Downloads. Now you're messing with the wrong person. Oh. Here it is in there. Here's that. Got set as. See if I can open it. Let's pop open our settings. Open up that. Browse. Local disk. Document settings administrator. My documents, downloads, and that. And yes. Now we got that as a background. So I think if there's anything to really mention here, like we're already on 22 minutes, so here's my thoughts about ReactOS. I do see hope in it, but at the same time, like I wouldn't even recommend using it as like a daily driver right now. Like it's still alpha level software. It's still slow. You're not going to be able to run your normal Windows applications. Obviously. Well, you're going to be able to run a good amount of Windows applications, but not as many as if you were to install Wine on a Linux machine, on Linux Mint, etc., and set compatibility options to Windows 10 and with Wine tricks. You're not going to be able to get to that point. I'd still if you want an open source alternative to Windows, I'd still recommend Linux. I'd recommend Linux and that you also install Wine. And not use ReactOS. You got good benefits with Linux. You can rice the crap out of that on your desktop or customize it a lot. If that's not your type of stuff, then there's always the operating system being faster, and as well as benefits such as being open source. You're not being spied on constantly like Windows, which is just sending a bunch of crap to Microsoft or something. So yeah. What would I rate ReactOS? I'd probably rate it a full-on 5 out of 10 dirt. Haven't had a good experience with it, though I do see hope. I'd heavily advise that you use a Linux distro and then put Wine on if you want an open source alternative to Windows. Because, like, in all honesty, that's just better than running ReactOS. ReactOS may have a similar file structure, may have the same file structure as Windows or very similar to it, but ReactOS is also quite slow. It uses outdated software on, I think, as well as Wine only goes up to like Windows Server 2003, which is like Windows 2003 is basically the Windows Server equivalent to Windows XP. So, yeah. I rate ReactOS a 5 out of 10. And his Buildershed here. Hope to see y'all next time. See ya. If y'all like this type of content, make sure to drop a like. If you wanted to see more of this content, make sure to subscribe. If you don't like this content, or specifically this video, drop a dislike. And it'd be heavily appreciated if you were to also drop a comment explaining why you disliked the video and some issues, also known as constructive feedback. I'll see y'all next time. See ya.